By 2030, 40% of today's jobs might be replaced by AI. But if you pick the right career, you could be making 500K plus a year. In this video, I'll reveal the top 7 highest-paying tech jobs of the future, why they're in demand, and how you can prepare for them. Some of these jobs already exist. Some will explode in the next 5 to 10 years. And the salaries? Insane. So stick around till the end. Let's go. AI Ethics Officer, 400K, 500K. As AI takes over, we need rules, or else we could be in an AI apocalypse. That's where the AI Ethics Officer comes in. Their job? Regulating AI to make sure it doesn't violate privacy, discriminate, or cause harm. Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI are already hiring these experts for up to 500K a year. Governments worldwide are rushing to create AI regulations, meaning demand for this role is skyrocketing. Want to get into this? Study AI policy law and data ethics at Metaverse Architect, 350K, 450K. Imagine designing entire virtual worlds where people shop, work, and even get married. Sounds crazy? It's already happening. Meta, Facebook, Apple, and Microsoft are pouring billions into metaverse development. Virtual real estate is selling for millions of dollars. People are already buying land in the metaverse. By 2030, metaverse architects will shape the digital future, earning salaries of 350K plus. How to get started? Learn 3D design, VR/AR development, and AI-driven environments. 3 AI Biotech Engineer, 450K, 600K. This job is straight out of a sci-fi movie. AI is now helping scientists cure diseases, create custom medicine, and even slow down aging. Companies like Neuralink and DeepMind are working on AI-powered brain implants and genetic engineering. AI-designed drugs have already entered human trials, cutting development time by 90%. This field is exploding, and top companies are offering 500K plus salaries for AI-powered biotech innovation. If you love AI plus biology, this is your golden ticket. Quantum Computing Engineer, 500K plus. Today's computers are powerful, but quantum computers are 1 million times faster. Google's quantum AI has already cracked problems that would take supercomputers 10,000 years. Quantum engineers will help revolutionize AI, security, and even teleportation experiments. Want to get in? You'll need skills in quantum physics, AI, and cryptography. Salaries are starting at 500K plus. AI-powered Cybersecurity Specialist, 400K, 550K. AI is making hacking easier than ever. Governments and corporations need AI-powered defense systems now. Companies like Tesla and Amazon are investing billions in AI-driven security to fight off cyber threats. Hackers using AI are 10x more dangerous, making this job one of the hottest fields of the decade. Cybersecurity plus AI as a goldmine of opportunity. Space tech, AI engineer, 500K, 600K. NASA, SpaceX, and Blue Origin are all racing to colonize Mars and build AI-powered spacecraft. By 2040, AI-operated space missions will be the norm. AI-powered rovers and robots will help build Moon and Mars colonies. If you're into space and AI, this job could literally take you out of this world and pay 600K plus a year. AI financial analyst, 300K, 700K. Wall Street is going AI first. Stock trading, investing, and even predicting economic crashes will be driven by AI. Hedge funds like Citadel and Renaissance Technologies are already using AI for automated trading. AI financial analysts who can oversee and refine AI models are making up to 700K. Finance plus AI, a money-making machine. These jobs are not science fiction. They're happening right now. If you want to future-proof your career and earn big money? Start learning AI, cybersecurity, biotech, or quantum computing. Which job excites you the most? Comment below. And if you want a deep dive into any of these careers, let me know. Follow for more mind-blowing future tech insights.